Hey, if you're watching this video right now and you like my content, I know y'all don't watch some of my other videos. I've been checking my stats and it's saying that more people are watching my videos who are not subscribed than the ones who are subscribed. So if you like my content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you will be notified every single time I post a video, unless YouTube is tripping, because sometimes they be tripping. And also you can follow your girl on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you want to get in shape, I have a second channel called Get Fit with Sin, where I work out Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So check your girl out. I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, Print Squad, and welcome to any new subscribers or people who are watching my videos for the first time. If you like the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick. Alright, so today I am going to be unboxing something, well, really just opening up something and letting y'all check it out. Now, as you know, I recently upgraded my equipment and got a new little setup going here at the shop. So because of I'm thinking more into the future right now at this time with my business, I just purchased something that would probably be a big help for me in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let you guys check it out. And this is probably something that y'all could use too, depending on your setup. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all check it out. Alright, squad, right here you can see what it says right here on the box. I don't know if you still don't know what it is, but if not, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what's inside the box. Alright, you can see the hose right here, and this is kind of the wand or the nozzle, spray nozzle right here. Right here. It comes with a different wand. This one actually, like if you were camping or something, you could use this for like a shower, to take a shower with. And this is just like a spray nozzle that you could, like if you're outside camping or something, you could wash your hands with this, or you can spray. It's kind of like, you know, having a water hose. It's not going to be the strength of a regular pressure washer, but this is going to be more like a garden hose. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out the box and let you check it out. And the reason that I got this this pressure washer right here is because right here, this is the AC adapter right here. This right here is the battery charger, because it comes, or actually this may be the battery. I think it's the battery charger. Y'all know, y'all see I'm just now getting it, but this is the battery charger. So basically with this pressure washer right here, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Let me close down this top and I'm gonna just see it. It's got the instructions. The instructions were down at the bottom. I'm just toss them right there. Okay, so right here with this pressure washer, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. As you see right here, you don't need a water hose for this. So depending on your setup, you may not have an area where you have a water hose. So right here, this is that's where you put the battery. Let me make sure that, yeah, because you just slide it right off in here, just like that, and it's already on. It's already on. Y'all see, I just slid the battery in there and it's on already, and I haven't touched anything. But that's what it's like right there. So let me see how we get this battery. Okay, it's a little button on here. Maybe you press that button. Oh, it's two little buttons on the side right here, I guess. Yeah, you press those two buttons on the side right here, the two white buttons right there, and you can slide it out. But I'm gonna just sit this over here. But basically, But basically this is, you know, you open the canister up at the top. You can put your water in here. You can do stuff like wash your car with this. Like if you say you live in an apartment and you don't have access to a hose. So that's why I purchased this. And it's got a little side pocket over here. But that's basically why I purchased it, you know, to be more mobile and stuff, because I got some plans that I'm, you know, working on, and so, you know, so that even when I first get there, I'll be able to, you know, use the pressure washer. And also, I don't know what I'm going to be doing here, you know, while I'm still in this place. I'm trying to do things a little bit differently, so I may be kind of rearranging a little bit. So I was just like, you know, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these. Hopefully everything works out well with it. I will be letting y'all know in a future video. But that's all I have for you today. Actually, I might have one other thing. I'm going to just end the video here. And I'll do a separate video for the other thing that I'm going to be doing today. But I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, y'all know what to do. See y'all in another video. Prince Squad out.